Keragloss Protein Straightening Bond. Reconstruct and revive damaged hair. Bottle number 1, Clarifying Shampoo. Direction to use. 1. Apply bottle number 1. Keragloss Clarifying Shampoo to wet hair, lather and rinse, repeat as needed. Clarifying Shampoo prepares the hair before the protein treatment. It opens the cortex of the hair for preparation and to absorb the formula for treatment and to washes away dirt, sebum, oil, and leftover styling products. This is to revitalize dull hair and create the best condition for straightening cream formula application. 2. Dry the hair up to 80% with clean towel and hair blower. Make normal airflow to dry the hair. Bottle number 2, Straightening Cream. Direction to use. 1. After the cleaning the hair with clarifying shampoo, then apply. Bottle number 2, Straightening Cream Formula with organic aloe vera oil extract, argan oil, and lanolin oil. Starting at the nape area until the hair is fully saturated, make sure not to touch the sculf during the application. Process for minimum of 1 hour. Note: apply significant amount of product base on the hair thickness and damage hair. 2. Do not wash the hair after an hour of treatment to sink in and absorb the formula in the hair cortex. 3. Use towel and blow dry the hair 100% and settled. 4. Iron the hair, if healthy 180 to 220 degrees Celsius, if damaged 150 to 180 degrees Celsius. 5. Cool down and comb the hair slightly until settled. Bottle number 3, Hair Mask Treatment. Direction to use. 1. Apply the hair mask treatment directly after the process in the bottle number 1 and number 2. 2. Apply the hair mask treatment as follows. Take a small amount of the treatment and work it through each section from root to tip. Focus on most damaged area where the damaged hair section spotted. Avoid touching the sculf and skin to prevent irritation. 3. Leave the hair mask treatment for 30 to 45 minutes. 4. Rinse thoroughly with normal water. 5. Iron the hair, if healthy 180 to 220 degrees Celsius, if damaged 150 to 180 degrees Celsius. 6. Avoid using sulfate-based shampoos after treatment, as they can strip the protein. Experience smooth, shiny, and healthy-looking hair like never before with Keragloss Protein Straightening Bond Formula, a trusted solution that not only straightens but also deeply nourishes and strengthens your hair from within. Give your hair the care it deserves with Keragloss Protein Straightening Bond Formula. Enriched with hair vitamins and natural extracts like Argan Lanolin Oil, Argan Oil, and Aloe Vera Oil. This powerful blend doesn't just straighten, it deeply nourishes, restores moisture, strengthens each strand, and adds brilliant shine. Experience smoother, healthier, and damage-free hair while enjoying the lasting benefits of nature's finest ingredients. Try it today and feel the difference of salon-quality results in the comfort of your own home.